G'day Australia. The VF Commodore sedan and ute is a great Aussie car and is quite popular out there on the roads today. However, I'm pretty sure we can all agree that the factory Mylink infotainment system is... So, we have put together, specific for VF Commodore, a unique Alpine package with a 9-inch infotainment display that fits neatly in the dash with a VF Commodore specific fitment adapter and data link adapter. Now, this kit will not only let you install the 9-inch Alpine Halo system neatly into the dash with a high gloss fitment trim surround, but it also integrates the factory reverse camera, factory steering wheel controls, all the other factory functions like the sensor volume control and exterior lighting controls and all the other body control functions that are accessible on your factory infotainment system. So you will lose no factory functionality by adding this completely sweet badass 9-inch screen to your car. You also get all of the excellent Alpine aftermarket features like digital radio, high quality digital time alignment, and heaps of other audio processing functions and features. You've got multiple USB inputs, high quality Bluetooth streaming, Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control with your smartphone, HDMI input, heaps and heaps of options to link up any way you can imagine to your new infotainment system. The high def screen looks absolutely fantastic, comes up very neat in the vehicle. There's no sort of like ugly gaps or doesn't have much of an aftermarket feel. It looks quite integrated and neat. However, got a little bit of a floating display style thing there, which is good and bad. It's not quite integrated to the dash, but a lot of new cars have that floating style display as a part of their styling. All the new Mercedes, Audis, Hyundais, Mazdas all have that floating style display. So it's on par with new car styling. This is a really good kit. Includes everything you need for a full DIY installation, or it is available installed at our Audiocom stores in Western Australia in Midland and Cannington. So if you're interested in this kit, check out the website www.universalfuze.com.au or call us at one of the Audiocom stores and we can put together a package for you and get it installed. We've also got a huge range of audio upgrade options to look at the same time for speakers, subwoofers, a few different options there to get your sound absolutely pumping in your VF Commodore sedan or ute. So give us a call today or visit the website and let us upgrade your ride.